We're gonna be opening a Pokemon Crown Zenith pack. And it came with a mouse pad. We already opened one pack. It was kind of trash. This pack was not that good.
Keep the packs close together, so I keep them in frame.
How do you even get these out?
There's tape, probably. Tape.
Look how big it is.
This is two. This should be 2 pieces.
No, it's fine. Let's open
Alright.
this. No, it's
Let's
already
look at
open.
that.
It's already open. I already did that one.
So that's
You do
fresh.
these, and I'll do these. You open one, and I'll open one. You open them.
Where's the play mat? Show them the play mat. We got the 6x size play mat. Giant jumbo card.
Yes, sir.
Leave it. I'm gonna scroll down it.
How do you open them? Ta-da.
It says 6+.
Okay.
This is my hand. Look how big it is. 6x.
How do you open it?
All right, we're going in Crown Zenith Pokemon.
Okay, then you gotta put 3 cards in the front. Okay. 3 cards. Don't look at them. Oh. It doesn't matter. That's not professional.
Well, you're supposed to sit right here and do it on the Zenith, right here on the mat. Go ahead, sit over here,
Come
Tommy.
sit right here.
With this card,
Just put it away. And put 3 cards in the front.
All right, this is the unpacking
you go
of
first.
Crown Zenith Pokemon
Yeah.
pack on the fresh new play mat. Just line them all up like that, one all across, like.
We need to make this easy.
No.
Danny's doing his special little shuffle.
Okay.
3. Go.
Okay, so Jurassic, Rescue Carrier, Bisharp, Snorlax, Rockruff, Tangela, Baltoy, Meowth, Crushing Hammer, Oranguru, and an Energy. That was so bad.
That's alright.
Okay.
You look the one you already opened?
No.
That's a fresh new pack.
You open them?
Yes. Just flip them like this. No, bro, what are you doing?
Okay.
Tommy's getting his open pack. Tommy, stick.
Hello to pot to. I don't know how to say that.
Ooh, look at that one.
Lulu.
That's
Shanks.
definitely gonna be good. Tackle
Pancham. Groin. Gumshoes. Energy. Electric. Ultra Ball. And Pinchurinchin. I don't understand.
How do you
Okay.
say it? Pinchurinchin. Pincurinchin.
I don't know.
All right, guys, we're still unboxing.
Hey.
We're doing it. Say what's up, bro. There's the crew. Danny, say what's up, guys.
Hi. What's up, my man? That's gonna be for the end.
What is it?
It's black.
Black.
It's a
Put it down. Lay him down.
Tell those people to be quiet.
Bisharp,
I want to do this.
Digging Duo, Young Goose,
I'm doing it.
Cherry Ruby, Execute, Energy Retrieval,
And
Emolga, Energy, a Duraludin, V.
hold it still. I'm zooming in.
Oh, feel it.
Hold up.
Feel it. Feel it.
Whoa, Metal Claw 70, Breaking Swipe 140.
Wait, let me feel.
That's the Blackie?
And a V-Star. What's it?
Ooh, we gotta Google that.
Well, let me look. If you look at the back, it should be.
So far, we've gotten a
This is
couple
the
good
black
ones.
one.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, here's-
How do you do this again?
We're getting back into it. Shout out Logan Paul. We know you spent millions and millions.
Really?
We're trying to get into the groove.
How do you do this?
Just open it, bro. It's so easy.
It's our first $50 purchase. We got a discount.
Well, you're kind of thick.
He's getting on him. He's getting him. Time to go like this. Camera. There you go.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Right, we're at 5 minutes, 20 seconds.
Okay, so put this over here. Okay. One. No, stop. 2, 3. Okay.
This is going to be your first upload on your YouTube channel?
Heart first.
Okay.
Yeah, on your first on your new page.
Get the hell-
Lay it down, lay it down.
Rescue carrier. Giraffe.
Giraffe rig.
Pin trickin.
Another pin
Aaron.
choo-choo.
It's my friend's name.
Riolu. Starly.
Ooh.
Sither. Pokeball.
Ooh.
Ooh, Pikachu!
Pikachu!
Ooh, it's shiny as well with like a leaf.
Ooh, Pikachu!
Luxray and Energy.
Luxray. Woo!
Yeah.
Pokemon.
Pikachu.
There we go.
That was crazy.
Oh, there's
Pikachu.
It's the other pack that I already opened, but
Wait, is there more packs?
That was it.
No, there's still more.
Those are just single cards.
Turbo,
Oh.
Steel, bleh, 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 bleh.
He's going quick. Slow down, slow down.
I already opened it.
Oh, you open those? Alright, now let's show the big one last time. Now this is Crown Zenith Pokemon revealing. Oh, yeah.
More
Slow, keep
pickup.
it slow, keep it slow. Hold it. Don't move it.
Should we put all the cards together?
Burst wheel. That's so cool.
Very nice.
Oh, you're good.
Next one.
There's one.
Alright, guys.
Wait, those are not real.
Unwrapping.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Get all the good
Danny,
ones.
say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
These are the.
See you later. See you later, Kobe.
What is this?
Stop.